everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leah J, and today we are going to do a 3-part sleek bun hair tutorial on natural hair. I'm going to start with a list of items you'll need to do this process, and then we'll begin a detailed example on how to achieve the tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. The supplies I will be using today will include a comb, a brush, hair ties, a clip, and hair gel. So to begin, I'm just combing my hair out here. I want to make sure there's no kinks or tangles while I'm trying to achieve the slick back. Just want to make sure everything is nice and combed out and tangle free. I choose to use a wide tooth comb. It's just easier to comb my hair with this one. So then I'm going to switch to a rat tail comb, and I will also need a hair tie. So I'll begin with parting my hair in the middle, front and back. I try my best to get it even as possible, but honestly, it really doesn't matter as long as you have a front half and a back half. So I'm going to take my hair tie and tie the top portion up so it's out the way. I'm going to take this brush here and begin with the back half of my hair. I'm just brushing it down, again making sure there's no tangles. I'll be using this gel to slick my hair down. I like to place my gel around the perimeter of each section. For me, it just helps my hair to lay down as flat as possible. Again, taking my brush and brushing while using just a little pressure to just get it as flat as possible. Now taking another hair tie, and I'm going to tie this section of my hair into a ponytail, as tight as what's most comfortable for you. I now take the wide tooth comb just to comb out again any tangles. Now moving to the top section. I'm going to take the rat tail comb here and section off into 3 sections using my brow as kind of a guide on where to start the sections. Taking the middle section, I kind of want to isolate it out the way. I'm going to start with the side sections first. So I'm going to go ahead and twist this up and out the way. And using the hair clip, just gonna clip it out the way. Start by placing the gel again on the perimeter of the section. This way it lays as flat as possible. Taking the brush, just going to apply firm pressure and brush in a downward motion. And really quick, we're going to switch to the other side, and we're going to do the same thing with the gel. Applying around the perimeter. And brushing down in a downward motion. I'm going to now brush both sides. Ensuring that it is as flat as possible. I'm going to take this hair tie and put both left and right sections into one ponytail. Last but not least, we have the middle section. Just going to comb this out. I'm using the rat tail comb to split the section into two. This way the middle section is as flat as possible. Taking the gel and applying it. Taking the front section, taking the gel and applying it around the perimeter. Using the brush, applying pressure to mold down the hair. Taking another hair tie, and I will be pulling this section into the ponytail, ensuring it's as tight as possible and as flat as possible. Now I'm going back in to define the parting, brush down any flyaways. Taking this rubber band, this will help to secure the bun. I have secured the bun. I'm using this mini flat iron to help press out my edges a little bit. Here I'm using a little gel to hold them in place, and taking my edge brush to brush them in the direction that I'm wanting. I'm also using my edge brush to brush out any flyaways. And we are done. That is basically the full tutorial of the 3-part sleek back bun. I hope I was able to help you guys out in completing this style. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to stay positive, spread love, and be who you are.